Okay, guys, let's continue where we left off. As I was saying that on NZD, USD, we're looking for buy, okay? We're looking to buy this pair the next coming weeks, okay? So what you should look for on lower time frame, there is the price action that is happening. Regardless, don't look at the candles, look at the price, the patterns that we are trading, okay? Because if you're going to look the candles, you're going to be misled, okay? So what we are expecting here, we'll wait on lower time frame to give us a correction there, a correction here. Can slightly be deeper a bit, okay? Because if you can take even Fibonacci and check the 61 pounds, okay? It's either it's going to take the 61 pounds here, or it can break and turn from 78, okay, guys? So look for correction here for us to take this trade. Right, on pound USD, start from monthly and see what we are expecting here, okay? We are having this wedge formation, okay? On this wedge formation, we are expecting this pair to correct here, then give us one more low. Then from this floor, we're going to take the pair outside, okay? Only you have to look for a correction, then buy. Or it can turn from this part and correct here. Watch this roof of ours to give us one more low, okay? You will find something like this. This impulse, then it's a correction here, then look for another impulse here, okay? It's pound dollar. It's where we see the market. Then on lower time frame, it started with an aggressive move. So all you need to do, wait for it to come to this level, then to sell. Around this price, you take profit, okay? It's kind of risky if you sell when the market has moved a lot downside, okay? But now, wait for this correction, then you sell. We'll move to Aussie dollar, okay? Aussie dollar too, we are having this pair on weekly, this wedge that is on building. So we are waiting for a bounce on this area, okay guys? On 0.6263, we can have this bounce here, then look for buys there, okay guys? Then on lower time frame, what you are looking for, you are looking for a strong impulse up move. It's kind of giving us that impulse, this impulse. Then we are expecting this down move, okay? Even so, like GBP USD, you will find on 61, on 78, then take a trade, okay? It's buy, okay guys? Then we move to USD CAD. USD CAD, all we are looking for, we were expecting this pair to test 1.4697, okay? Because it moved fastly. If you didn't get the trade from this break, because we took our profit there, okay? So this portion we didn't take it. So now what you are expecting here, you're expecting a flat pattern here, okay? So the coming weeks, you're going to get sell, look for sell. You'll wait for a close below here. Wait for a close here, okay? Then to sell. Wait for correction. Then you take a trade. Sell there, okay? Then put it in break even there. Put your stop there. But remember, we are not trading on weekly. So you'll go to a lower time frame. Lower time frame will give you a direction where to go, okay? So on lower time frame, maybe 4 hour, you look for, check what the market is doing. At the moment, it's not clear, but you'll get something like this. I'll give us one more up here, okay? Then from this price, 1.5200, you look for sales there. Okay, guys. We'll move to pound CAD. Pound CAD is kind of differently a bit, but what you can do here for you to buy, let's go to weekly first, okay? And see what we are expecting here. On weekly time frame, this pair is going to give us still in a correction. If you can see, we're still in a correction here. So at the moment, we are waiting for this pattern to finish for up move, okay? Then from this roof, you'll sell something like this impulse, the same length, okay guys? Then you'll be having this kind of 1, 2, 3 APC move. Then you sell this one. But at the moment you are not selling, we'll see what the price is doing on lower time frame, okay? What we are expecting there. Because at the moment, it gave us a strong down move. Then to buy here, you have to wait to break aggressively and correct here and to get trade, okay? On 4 hour. This is pound CAD. Don't sell, or if you can get the lower, you can get this kind of lower gain. You can sell this flag, something like this. It's going to move the same length, same length. then take a profit around 1.6383. Okay, remember, correction here, then sell, then look for buys. We'll move to another currency pair, which is NZD CAD. Then on NZD CAD, what we are looking for, start on weekly so that you can see the pattern that we are expecting there. Okay, we have an impulse here, then it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. We're expecting for this price to come here. So the coming weeks or the long trend on NZ CAD, you have to look for buys. Okay, look for buys. But at the moment, let's see what the market is doing. Okay, on lower time frame. Then on lower time frame, if you can check, this is daily. It's lower time frame. This pattern, if you buy it here, you got that profit. Okay, then it has to move lower to test again 0.80, but that doesn't make this pair to change our structure. We are still on buys here. Okay, all you need to do is to wait for impulse like this one, then it's going to correct again, then take a trade. But we'll move to lower time frame so that you can see what I'm talking about. On lower time frame, we did have this aggressive move here. Okay, let me show you this aggressive move. We got this aggressive move. Look for correction here again. Then take a trade. Next currency pair, it's Euro CAD. Start on weekly time frame. Right. We got this wedge pattern, okay? Then we got this reversal pattern here that we bought from here, from our roof, from our floor. Then it moved aggressively, okay? So now I think it's going to respect this 1.5562, okay, price. Then what you're looking for is for it to correct, then take a trade, okay? It's going to correct on weekly, but what to do on lower time frame now, all you need to do is let me remove these trend lines so that it can be clear. All you're going to do for next week or from tomorrow, you're going to wait for a correction here, take a trade for sell, okay? It's going to give you correction, get more position there, okay? So that you can buy again. So what you need to do on EuroCAD, Okay, guys. Then Euro GBP. Euro GBP has moved according to our analyst. If you can go back to our weekly outlooks and go back to our publish that we published on TradingView, you'll see that the market, we predicted that you buy from here, then it gave us flag that took so many days for us to get this move, okay? So we got this move. So now what you need to do, you go to lower time frame, it has moved aggressively down there, okay? So you'll be having such, let me show you. Come and test this price, okay? This roof. All you're going to do is wait for this correction to be built. Then you take a trade up, okay? You don't see sell here. You're still going to have this one more up move. This one more up move, still intact, okay? We'll move to another currency pair. It's going to be a dollar chief. On dollar chief, weekly time frame. Let's go to weekly. I'm going to show you what we are expecting here, okay? So it won't be a difficult pattern that I'm going to show you. We're having an impulse here, then you're still in a correction here. It's kind of a flat one, okay? So we're going to test or make a new high here, okay? It's what we are expecting. So what you need to do on lower time frame right now, it has moved aggressively, if you can see. It has moved aggressively. So all you need to do now is watch this high for a bigger correction, okay? That bigger correction might give you one more down like this. To see. To test 61 of our Fibonacci. Then from there we look for buys. I will say look for a correction, but that correction, it must be a corrective structure that should be traded, okay? Then on lower time frame, see, lower time frame can give us, look for from this top or roof, one more down, okay? Then look for a correction here to break below this one, then you go down, then you take a trade. Okay, it's a structure that we are expecting next week or coming weeks. Okay, guys, so we're going to move to our next currency pair. Is dollar yen. A dollar yen, what we are expecting here, we're expecting a correction on our published view here, okay, for us to test this low, this high. So at the moment, it gave us, it moved slowly, slowly. It can move like this, then look for sell here from top, okay. Go to lower time frame to check. Okay, let me show you a weekly, what the structure is doing, okay, what we are expecting. We're expecting a down move. We got this impulse, it's one, expecting a 2 here, then we have 3 here. It's A, it's B there, it's C, okay? So at the moment, we are struggling to go to this B for us to take here. But we will get there slowly by surely. But if you see the year pens, they are struggling because of this COVID-19, okay? Let me show you what we are expecting here. Because if you don't see this down move, expect a correction here, okay? For us to go and complete that B structure on top, okay? If you see correction, go to buy, look for buys there, okay? But if you don't see the kind of correction, look for a 10 over here, then you get a correction, then you sell, okay? For us to take us up there again. Let's go to lower time frame and see what is doing the yen, okay? Kind of moving slowly, slowly. It's showing signs of tiredness. Let me show you what we are expecting there. We expect this to move slowly to take this roof of ours, then look for a price action here for us to correct, then down. It can give us one more up move. This one more up move to test this 114.455, okay? It can give us this kind of correction to go up for one more up move. Look for it, okay guys? We'll go to CAD yen. CAD yen, when we go to weekly and see what we expect here. at the end, still in the correction. Okay, guys? Still in the correction. This correction, we are still in. We are in the bottom here on our roof. That can take this pair to 120. Okay, so on lower time frame, look for buys. Look for buy setups. Okay, all you need to do is look for buys. Let's see if it's giving us buys. Every time the market giving a buy setup, you should take it from this low. Okay, at the current price, it's giving us an impulse. We're expecting the correction to take us up here. Okay, we'll go to another currency pair, NZD yen. Okay, NZD yen, we are expecting a correction there. Seeing this kind of pattern. Seeing this kind of pattern. Okay, this impulse is corrected here. Impulse, we are correcting here. Okay, so now to come and take this flow of ours, we're expecting a correction here for NZD yen to give us a correction. Okay, so on lower time frame, you need to look for this pair to correct. Look for correction. Look for a correction structure. Look for a correction structure here for us to take us down. I would say leave NZD yen for the moment and trade others because it's not giving us anything now. Okay. Euro yen. Start on weekly on Euro yen. Euro yen. What we are expecting here. We are having this pattern, okay? Kind of wedge pattern. Euro yen, it can give us, let me show you here. It can give us one more up move. This to be a correction, then to take this low, okay? For us to go. We can leave or trade on lower time frame this up move, okay? We'll go to a lower time frame and see that there's a possibility of buying this pair, okay? Okay. At this moment, we are having this we are having this kind of pattern. It's impasse, then we have correction here, then you can buy the breakout here, okay? Buy the breakout. Or on lower time frame, we are having this kind of price action there. This kind of price action. On lower time frame is going to give you many patterns there, okay? Sorry about the background sound. It's impasse, it's 1, it's 2, then we are expecting a 3, then go down. Then at the moment, let me show you the patterns that we are having there. I want to show you the patterns that we are having there, okay? On lower time frame, there is this flag that we are expecting here. Sorry again with the background sound, guys. We'll wait for a correction. Then you can start to take a trade here, okay? Put it in break even, start this trade. You can buy here, then buy the breakout, buy this breakout again, okay? On lower time frames. We are expecting an up move on this pair. Euro yen, euro yen, euro yen, euro yen. We're expecting an up move to take us to 1.123.334. Okay, guys? That's where you should take a profit there. Right. OZN. OZN on weekly. I'm going to show you the whole pattern. What we are expecting here. Okay. At the moment, expecting a correction, then we sell to come and test this flow of ours, okay? Or it can give us the bounce here, then we correct, then we go. Okay, guys? Lower time frame. Lower time frame, lower time frame. Lower time frame. Lower time frame. It's giving us a nice price action. We might start this up move, okay? Because now it's giving us this. If you can check, let me show you. Let me show you this. We'll be looking for this pair to break here. If you can start on this correction, wait for it to break this roof, then wait for a correction here, then take the trade, okay? We'll be taking the trade to 78.67, okay? On 4 hour. Our last currency pair that we are expecting, okay? That we're going to see what is going to give us for next week or the coming weeks, okay? We will start on weekly and see what the pattern is doing. Right, on weekly, we are having this strong impulse, strong impulse. It's A, it's B, it's C. We're expecting a C for us to go down there, okay? But at the moment, we'll be looking for a buy, because it has tested this roof of ours, okay? This price has bounced 3 times, okay guys? So you'll be looking for strong impulsive move, then you correct there, then you take a trade. Take a trade to this roof firstly and see whether it's going to give us another one more down or it's breaking like this, okay? Then if we go to a lower time frame to see if is it ready or not, it's going to tell us, okay? Going to tell us. Then take this one, put it there. Wait for a correction because it has started this impulse. Then wait for a correction, then take the trade. Okay? Then wait for another correction here and take a trade. Wait for another correction, take a trade until this price of 147.90. Okay, guys? This was our last currency pair, guys. Hope you will enjoy our weekly outlook for next week. Don't forget to trade with discipline. Don't forget to trade with care. Okay, guys? Don't be scared about news. Look at your chart and we'll keep on updating you as Rev Daily Traders what to do. Okay, guys? Remember, we are not giving you signals, but we are giving you where the direction is heading. Okay, guys? So if you see your trades that are not going on your way, use a stop loss. Make sure that you use a stop loss all the time. Okay, guys? We will see you on Trading View. Those who follow us, hope you will keep on following us and hope you are gaining more experience with us. Okay, guys? Don't forget to subscribe to that channel, Rev Daily Traders, and click that notification bell so that you can get every video that we make. Okay, guys? Okay, thank you, guys.